Hi, I'm Taylor Hagler. Hyundai's IONIQ N models bring electrified performance to the road and track. And as part of the experience, you can adjust many of the performance settings of your IONIQ N. Before changing settings, be certain to go through the complete N tutorial in your vehicle by selecting N mode, then the menu icon, and then tutorial. The N and custom modes allow for quick access to pre-configured or customized drive settings. They are selected by using the N buttons on the steering wheel. Watch the N buttons video for information on configuring and using these buttons. Custom 1 and Custom 2 modes are configurable. Select N mode on the touchscreen and then swipe to the second page. Here you can select to configure Custom 1 or Custom 2 on the top tabs. You can select values for features such as motor, steering, suspension, electronic limited slip differential, electronic stability control, or ESC, and N Active Sound Plus. Selecting the settings icon in the top right provides a deeper explanation of each feature and what each setting will do. Once configured, you can easily select the desired mode from the N buttons. N mode is a preset mode that automatically adjusts between Sport and Sport Plus feature settings to enhance driving performance. You should know that some of the features of your IONIQ N require certain motor and ESC settings. For instance, N Drift Optimizer can only be activated when the motor mode is set to Sport Plus and ESC is set to off. Be sure to watch the videos for each feature and read the tutorial for these requirements.
For more information on the features of your IONIQ N, be sure to consult your owner's manual available at My Hyundai or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to watch all the IONIQ N videos on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai. You're going to want to know everything about these special vehicles. They're a lot of fun.